Good morning, everybody. I'm coming to you today with our Littles Carry-All Caddy, and I didn't even bother emptying mine. I grabbed it. I'm sitting in my kitchen, and I grabbed it right out of my cupboard. I keep it in one of our cupboards with all of our taco packets and seasoning packets and whatnot that would otherwise just be making a mess, or I'd have a bunch of boxes shoved in there taking up room. So it takes up just a little corner of our kitchen cupboard, and I can keep everything in there that I need. But they're fantastic for so many things. It's got a little handle on it, so it's great for your little ones that want to carry things around like their Matchbox cars, even colored pencils or crayons. Keep one in the car for tissues or as a little trash thing, or to hold CDs if you're still carrying CDs around in your car. They're great for the bathroom to hold cosmetics, or on a desk for any of loose things on your desk, or if you work in an office. I know a lot of people like to keep things of candy on the corner of their desk, like wrapped candies. It's great for that too. And come the holiday season, I like to take, I have a red one that looks like a Santa, and I put a poinsettia in it, and it's my centerpiece on my table during the holidays. So there's just a million different things that you can use them for. It's got the little elastic front mesh pocket on the front for my quick to grab things, and then again the little handle here. So they're just cute and handy, and you can use them absolutely anywhere. That's our Littles Carry-All Caddy that I think everyone needs one of. So go check them out. There's a bunch of different prints, and they're really cute. Would love to know what you use them for if you've already got one. I'll talk to you later, guys. Bye.